Hey guys, it's geminijets, AA119 here, coming at you with a infinite flight video. Today's infinite flight video will include the American Airlines Boeing 757-200 with winglets in the new American Airlines colors. The way they've modeled this aircraft and the infinite flight is just amazing. They've replicated how high it sits and how powerful the engines really are, and pretty much the exact dimensions of the aircraft. The windows are not as such as on the 717, where you can look in and see the seats, but still, this aircraft is a little bit easier to land, and it is just marvelous to fly. You'll love flying it with how high it sits and how fast it really climbs. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and in the section below, please comment on what you want me to do, what aircraft you want me to do next, and rate and subscribe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So like I said earlier, please comment on which aircraft you want me to do next and what airport you want me to land or take off at. Please rate, comment, and always make sure to subscribe.